Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. Right? Let us find. Number 1 is number 1. It is 108 into 192. Let us find what we are getting. 108 and 192. Let us find first 108. It can be divided by 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 4 is 8. Again divide by 2. That is 2 2 is 4. 2 7 is 14. Divided by 3. 3 9 is 27. And 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Right? Therefore, 108 can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Right? It can be written as 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 into how many 3? 1 2 3. 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. We will find 192. 192. Find this one. Divided with 2. 2 is 18. 2 6 is 12. Again by 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 8 is 16. Again by 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 4 is 8. Again by 2. 2 12 is 24. And 2 6 is 12. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. How many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 2 to the power 6 into 3. Right? Now if you combine this one, then you are getting 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. And you are getting here the base is same 2, but the exponent will be added, that is 2 plus 6 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1. And we are getting 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4. This is answer. 2 to the power 8 and 3 to the power 4. This is the answer, right, of question number 1. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is question number 2 270. 270 270 270. Let us divide 270 by 5. That is 5 5 is 25. 6 7 2 25 4 is 20. And again by 2. 2 is 4. 2 7 is 14. 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. And 3 3 is 9. Right? Therefore, we can say 270 can be written as 270 can be written as 2. It is 5 into 2 into 3 to the power 1 2 3 3 to the power 3. That is the answer. 5 into 2 into 3 to the power 3 to the power 3. Right? That is the value of 270. 3 to the power 3. This is the answer of question number 2. Let's solve question number 3. Question number 3, you see here it is question number 3 is 729 into 64. 729 into 64. Let us first find 64 and 729. Therefore, we are getting, first find the value of 64. 64 divided by 2. That is 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. 2 16 2 is 32. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, and 2 2 is 4. How many is 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is equal to 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power 6 into, if we find the value of 729, then what we get, you see here, 729 divided by 3 first. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. Again divided by 3. 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3, divided by 3. 3 2 is 6, 7 is 21, 3 7 is 21. 3 9 is 27, 3 9 is 27, and 3 3 is 9. Then we are getting 1 3 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 to the power 6. Then we can say that the value of this answer is 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 6. This is the answer of question number 3. Let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4. Question number 4 is 768. Question number 4, and that is equal to 768. 768. If we find the value of 768, then we are getting 768. Let us find 768 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6, 16, 2 8 is 16, and 2 4 is 8. Again divided by 2. 2 2 9 is 18, 2 2 is 4. Again divided by 2. 2 9 is 18, 12 2 6 is 12. Divided by 2. 2 4 is 8, 8 2 8 is 16. By 2. 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Again by 2, that is 2 12 is 24. 2 6 is 12. And 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Therefore we are getting 2 to the power, how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 to the power 8 into 3. This is the answer, right? That is 2 to the power 8 into 3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.